Hello everybody, it's Wilson here and welcome back to my channel. In this short how-to video today, I'm going to show you how to copy these old school CDs that I have here onto my NTG 4.5 command hard drive. It also applies to the NTG 4.7 as well. By default, it didn't allow me to do this. It only allowed me to copy USB MP3s via the USB port in the storage compartment as shown here. I had to code my Headunit using my Vediamo coding software to allow it to copy the CDs onto its hard drive. Now every market's different and every firmware is different apparently. You may find that your Headunit allows you to copy the CDs but not MP3s or the other way around. Now if you find that you don't have the options that you require, you will need to find someone with the coding software to enable that feature. So without further ado, let's show you how it's all done. Right, first of all, you need to insert the CD, obviously. So find an empty slot. In my case, I have an empty slot in number 4, so hit number 4 and then insert the CD once it prompts you. Right. Okay, CD inserted. Now click back to the home screen where the CD is now detected, as you can see there. So now what you do is, if you've got it coded or you've got it by default, you should have this rec functionality next to the CD. So if you scroll down there, go to record, hit enter via your command knob here, and then it asks you destination folder, tracks, etc. Then you go to just start and it will create it and it will store it yourself. The start, and now it's copying it, all tracks. I think it takes about 10 minutes, so I'll be right back. That took about 10 minutes as expected, so it's finished copying the CD to the hard drive. So once it's done, you need to go to audio and then into the music register menu, and then once you're in that music register menu, you could search for that album by going to the search option, and then you can search via different categories, folders, albums, artists, etc. I'll try albums for now, and there we go. So it's the second one down, which is that one there, which is, it shows you hard drive. The first one's the CD, which I still got inserted. So let's play the Phil Collins hard drive and then see what it does. And I'll just play, I don't know, that's probably my favourite track, number 4. And there you go, I'm happy with that. I hope you all enjoyed this short how-to video. Please give me a like and consider subscribing so you won't miss out on these future DIY videos of this nature. Thanks for watching everybody, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.